For the past year, creators have been asking the same question. Is AI going to replace us? But I think that's the wrong question. Because the biggest threat to creators isn't artificial intelligence. It's believing that what worked yesterday will keep working tomorrow. Think about how fast the creator economy has changed. A few years ago, simply posting consistently gave you an advantage. Then it became about short-form content, then community, then personal brands. Now AI can help anyone write scripts, edit videos, create thumbnails, and generate ideas in minutes. It's easy to look at that and panic, to think there's no point anymore. But here's what most people are missing. AI is making content easier to create. It is not making trust easier to earn. And trust has always been the most valuable currency on the internet. People don't keep coming back because your edits are perfect. They come back because they believe you understand them, because they trust your perspective, because they know what they'll get every time you show up. That's something no tool can automate. Here's where complacency becomes dangerous. Many creators assume that because they're getting views today, they'll get views tomorrow. That because a certain content style worked last year, it'll work next year. History says otherwise. Every platform evolves. Every audience changes. Every successful creator eventually reaches a moment where they have to reinvent themselves. The ones who refuse usually fade away, not because they lost their talent, because they stopped adapting. The creators who continue growing aren't necessarily the smartest. They're the most curious. They're constantly asking, what does my audience need now? What skills should I learn next? What part of my business is too dependent on one platform? Those questions keep them moving forward while everyone else is trying to protect the past. And here's the encouraging part. You don't have to fear AI. You have to learn how to use it. The creators who thrive won't be the ones competing against technology. They'll be the ones using it to spend less time on repetitive work and more time building relationships, ideas, and businesses that actually matter. That's the future. Not humans versus AI. Creators who adapt versus creators who don't. So maybe the better question isn't, will AI replace creators? It's, will you keep evolving as fast as the creator economy does? Because if the answer is yes, the future is probably a lot brighter than you think. If these kinds of conversations about the future of the creator economy interest you, there are more discussions like this here on the channel that dive deeper into where creators are headed next.